She's just eating and I'm here trying to tip her. So good. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Save your tears, honey. You're a mother indeed.
I used to think if I couldn't find hope, I should just let it all go. I used to think if I couldn't make dreams come true, I should just let them all go. When life seems impossible, look from a new angle, change just one little thing. When life feels intolerable, find your true source of love. Concentrate, focus on love. Center now, focus on love. Dedicate, focus on love. Focus now, focus on love. Oh, oh, focus on love. Oh, oh, reflect on love. Oh, oh, deep in the love. Oh, 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 be open to love. Oh, 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 take in the love. Oh, 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 give back the love. Oh, 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 when life seems impossible, look from a new angle, change just one little thing. When life feels intolerable, find your true source of love. Focus now, focus on love. When life seems impossible, look from a new angle, change just one little thing. When life feels intolerable, find your true source of love. Focus now, focus on love.
Hello, don't mind me. She's just eating and I'm here trying to tip her. Sorry for disturbing your peace. Can I have a selfie? Okay, girl. I know, looks like I'm stalking you. I'm obsessed with you. And I am. You're so gorgeous. She's just eating. You look so good. Hi. 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 Bye.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Since she got a family of her own, kept it to a five. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told.
Hey love, lunch was absolutely delicious and healthy, so I thought I should reward myself with a nice dessert. I decided to make some crepes. This was the perfect time to test out this little crepe machine from Walmart, and it was no disappointment. Perfect and so easy to use. I absolutely recommend. This is not a sponsored video, but I would like to leave for you guys the details in the description down below in case you would like to test it out for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I just wanted to share with you guys what a typical day looks like in my life, I guess. What I would suggest you guys is to take a break sometimes to enjoy little things in life that are priceless and that are free at the same time. And I invite you guys to enjoy those things with a mind full of gratitude. For instance, take extra time to sip on your tea or coffee in the morning.
Jet planes in the night sky with you. Getting high in the sunrise with you.
To smell the flowers around your house.
Getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine. Cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time.
Au revoir, mes amours. À très bientôt.
I wish that you were mine.